So hello everyone and welcome to another installment of the Engineering Management Institute's Engineering Management Lessons. So today we're going to be hearing from Jeffrey Rissman, and he is the Senior Director of Industry at Energy Innovation, Policy and Technology, LLC. So he's got an interesting lesson to share with us about how, as engineers, one of our tasks is to identify where there's a gap in the tools or the information that we have within work, and that we try to close that gap by providing a solution. He's going to share with us an example of how he did just that with his company. Let's jump right in.
In my career, one thing that I've found particularly helpful is to try to identify where there's a gap in existing available tools or information and try to provide something that fills that gap and helps meet that need. And there's at least two times when I've done that has have really propelled my career forward. The first was in developing the Energy Policy Simulator, the large open source computer model I made that assesses what are the outcomes of different combinations of energy policies. At the time, there was no fast-running, easy-to-use, open-source computer tool that puts the user in the shoes of a policymaker and lets you set dozens of policies in combination, everything from carbon pricing to financial incentives, efficiency standards, and more, across all the different economic sectors, and properly calculates how they interact to produce results, whether that's including emissions and jobs and public health. So by finding that there's a need and creating this tool, it helped establish this whole division within the company, Energy Innovation, that works on modeling and analysis and supports policymakers and other decision makers using quantitative tools to make smart, science-informed policy decisions. And similarly, I saw a gap about the industry program where there was not good information on how to decarbonize the industrial sector. So I proposed starting this program and writing this book, Zero Carbon Industry. So my advice is to look for those opportunities, these where you can have leadership, you can contribute to something that is needed and isn't already out there. You're not reinventing the wheel, and that will set you up to be a leader in that field.
So I hope that you all have enjoyed that lesson that was shared with us by Jeff, and he's right. I mean, you can certainly provide value to your firm by identifying a need and then satisfying that need as well. And this helps you in so many different ways, from your own continued development and also building your expertise within your field, and also by adding a unique quality to your resume and really taking ownership of your role by contributing more to your firm. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel here. We do put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers to become better managers and leaders in the engineering industry. I'll see you guys next week.